It's in these moments where all I know is coming into focus, and now I see. It's in these moments.